Welcome to FlexFusion Fitness. Have you ever wondered how staying active could transform both your body and mind? Fitness isn't just about appearance, it's a gateway to better mental health. Imagine feeling less stressed, more confident, and sleeping soundly every night. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we'll explore the powerful connection between fitness and mental well-being. Together, we'll uncover how moving your body can elevate your mood, boost self-esteem, and help you manage stress. So what makes physical activity such a game changer for mental health? Let's embark on this fascinating journey to understand the science and benefits of staying active. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see how fitness can be your ally in achieving not just a healthier body, but a happier mind too. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Did you know that exercise releases endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones? These natural chemicals, produced by your brain and nervous system during physical activity, play a key role in enhancing your mood. Picture this. As you engage in movement, whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or dancing to your favorite song, your body responds by releasing these mood boosters. Almost immediately, you may feel happier, less stressed, and more relaxed. It's like your body's way of thanking you for taking care of it. And the best part? This uplifting effect doesn't require hours of intense exercise. Even a short burst of activity can trigger this positive response. So next time you're feeling down, remember that a little movement can brighten your day. In our next segment, we'll explore another remarkable benefit of staying active, how it helps to manage and reduce stress. Stress, something we all face. But did you know that regular physical activity is one of the best tools to manage it? Exercise doesn't just work up a sweat. It helps your body and mind combat stress effectively. Movement reduces stress hormones like cortisol, while boosting feel-good chemicals like endorphins, leaving you feeling more relaxed and balanced. Let's explore a few simple exercises for stress relief. Whether it's gentle yoga, a brisk walk, or light stretching, incorporating movement into your day can help you decompress and recharge. Over time, regular physical activity builds resilience to stress, making tough days easier to handle. Remember, it's not about intensity, it's about consistency and finding joy in movement. By making exercise a habit, you'll discover a calmer mind and greater control over daily challenges. Ready to see how fitness can be your ally against stress? Let's dive deeper into how this journey transforms your mental health. Fitness isn't just about feeling good. It's also about building confidence and improving sleep. Achieving fitness milestones, no matter how small, boosts your self-esteem. Each step forward in your fitness journey brings a sense of accomplishment that empowers your mindset. And let's not overlook the impact on sleep. Regular exercise helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. It's like hitting a reset button for your body every day. By embracing an active lifestyle, you're investing in your physical health while nurturing a happier, more rested, and confident you. Stay with us as we continue exploring the incredible ways fitness transforms your well-being. Now that we've explored the amazing ways fitness enhances mental health, let's take a moment to reflect. From boosting your mood with endorphins to reducing stress and improving your confidence and sleep, the benefits of an active lifestyle are endless. Remember, every small step counts. Starting today can pave the way for a healthier, happier you. Why wait? Begin your fitness journey now and experience the transformation it brings to your mind and body. And don't forget, FlexFusion Fitness is here to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, insights, and motivation. Let's embrace fitness together and unlock the power it holds for mental well-being.